Meet the 2D shapes and find them everywhere.
Welcome back to my channel Learn and Play with Shibasish. Please subscribe.
This is the triangle. It has 3 sides. Triangle, triangle. It is like a hat. It is like a watermelon slice. It is like an ice cream cone. This is the square. It has 4 sides. They are all the same. Square, square. It is like a present. It is like a cracker. It is like a window. This is the circle. It rolls around and around. Circle, 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 circle. It is like a ball. It is like the sun. It is like an orange. This is the rectangle. It is like a book. It is like a dog. This is the pentagon. It has 5 sides. Pentagon, pentagon, pentagon. It is like a house. It is like a circus tent. It is like a carousel. This is the hexagon. Hexagon, hexagon, hexagon. It has 6 sides. It is like a honeycomb. It is like a snowflake. It is like a nut. Now look around. What shapes you find?
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Bye.